What's up you guys, welcome back to another video of June Eyes, and remember, you are nice. Today we're getting back into another video where I'll be dripping on some decks like this, but we're going invert, so we have black base and then we can add a white layer or a golden layer. I'm still not figured out what I'm going to do with the colors. I'll see it very soon once we get the first steps done. So let's start with sanding off the decks, and then we can spray paint it black, let it dry, and once it's dry I should have figured out which colors I'm going to drip over them. I think I'm going back for a horizontal drip. If it goes wrong again, I'm going back in for a vertical drip. Maybe it's even a better idea to go back in for a vertical drip because the white decks are vertical, just like this. Even though my cats ruined it, I think it's still a good thing to have.
Don't fall. Just right.
You guys, it happens more and more since I'm always calling with my friend from America. I forget to do my outros. So, here's my outro. I hope you guys enjoyed what you have just seen. I did erase 2 decks from what I just did because I'm going to redo them in a vertical way. I kept the white one and I'll be redoing the gold one and the copper one. Why? Because it was too transparent. I'll be doing something else with them, or I'll be doing the vertical one, or I'll be doing something completely else. I hope you can learn from some of the things I'll be saying, and I'm thinking about making some nicer outros with just a small motivational speech at the end. It may sound a little bit corny or naggy even, but I think it's a good thing. So let's try to find one right now and give you some advice at the end of this video. My advice for you guys today is don't give up when you fail. Don't give up when you fail multiple times. Keep on trying. Keep on trying what you're doing. If you make a mistake, if you mess it up, if you fail completely or even just halfway or at the beginning or at the end, keep trying. Don't worry about failing. Worry about giving up. It doesn't matter if you fail 10 times, 1 time, 500 times. Just keep on trying. And if it doesn't work out after, let's say, 250 times, 300 times, whatever, take a small break from it. Take a small break from it. And I'm not talking about 5 seconds and let's get trying again. I'm talking about take a few days off. Take a few days off of what you're trying, of what you're doing, and then try it again. You'll have some time to process your mistakes. You'll have some time to look at it from another perspective, and you learn from that. From taking that break, you learn from what have I done wrong? What can I do better? And if you have learned in those moments, those days off, you can try it again, and I'll bet you can really see another new development, and it can happen that you still keep on failing on the thing you were trying and you took a break off, but that doesn't matter. The fact is you kept on trying. You didn't give up at the first try. You didn't give up at the so many to try. You took a break. You tried again. You tried again and again and again. You kept on falling, but you kept on getting up. And even if at the last point you say, okay, no, I'm done with this, then you'll still be satisfied and you will still have learned so many things over that period. And don't let your head hang or be sad about it. Just be happy that you have done that. Be happy that you learned some new stuff. Be happy that you tried. Because nothing works without trying it first. And that's my advice for you guys today. So keep on trying, keep on making mistakes, because that's just life. You make a mistake, you get up, you learn from it, and you go on. Alright, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.